Hi there, Ryan Sorensen with West Central Montana Avalanche Center. We're up here near Elk Meadows, about 6,500 feet. As we were riding in here, we noticed that the winds have really picked up when we get into these open areas. Strong winds out of the southwest, and we're seeing shooting cracks.
Here's a quick example of what cracking might look like from a snowmobile.
Along these cross-loaded drifts along the road. It's a pretty big red flag, so we're going to keep it easy today, stick to the mellower trees under 35 degrees, and stay away from those cross-loaded or big loaded open bowls like this bowl behind me. So we made our way up to 7,600 feet here, and we found that the winds have transitioned the snow into a fairly thick, stubborn slab. We're finding these hollow pillows are unreactive in our test. However, we're still giving these cornices a wide berth. Sometimes when the strong winds blow like this, we can see wind slabs mid-slope, and a cornice fall could trigger a significant wind slab. We're going to ski these mellow south-facing slopes rather than this loaded north-facing bowl today. Ski and ride safe.